Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Beauty and Lifestyle. Today we are going to talk about how to use Femite solution to stop thumb sucking. If you or someone you know is struggling with this habit, then keep watching. So what is Femite solution? It is bitter tasting liquid that is designed to discourage thumb sucking. It's safe, non-toxic and easy to use. Thumb sucking is a common habit among children, but it can lead to dental problems and even infections. That's why it's important to break this habit as early as possible. So how do you use Femite solution? First, make sure your child understand why they need to stop sucking their thumb. They apply a small amount of Femite solution to their thumb using the brush applicator. It's like a nail paint, so easy to use. The bitter taste will discourage them from sucking their thumb. It's important to apply Femite solution consistently, especially before bedtime or during time when your child is most likely to suck their thumb. You can also use a reward chart to encourage your child to stop sucking their thumb. Every time they go without sucking their thumb, they can earn a sticker or a small reward. With patience and consistency, your child can break the habit of thumb sucking or breastfeeding, and Femite solution can help make the process easier. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video. Thank you.